Have you ever wondered why some people succeed and seem to have all the power? If you are eager to gain the same, why don't you ask them how they did it? I bet many of them won't tell you. Why? Because they are insecure themselves. They are afraid if you know their secret, their wealth or success will be divided. But here is the truth. People like me, people like us, are not in that position. We don't have billion, we don't have influence, but we have knowledge, experience, and heart. And if we share even a little of what we know with our community, we can all rise together. We can bring bread back home. We are a breadwinner. We know the struggle of feeding our families. And breadwinners don't just guard their knowledge. They show others the way. Helping your neighbor, teaching what you know, sharing a skill. That is how we build our community. That is how we make everyone stronger. So don't wait for the rich to give you advice. Start helping, start sharing, start doing. The little you know can change life. And together we all eat, we all succeed, and we all grow. So working together is the most important thing. Showing one another how to get there, it is the only way that God will push us to succeed in this life. And in fact, what we can do is this. When you know something, show it to your brother, to your sister, how he or she can get there.